When Tecno launched the Camon 20 last year with a whole new design and features, it quickly became one of the most favorite Android phones to consider. Now we have the Camon 30, which looks even better in design and performance. The Camon 30 is one of the least phones in the series, yet it offers great gaming performance, large storage space, and an advanced camera quality. As you already know, I don't only talk about the good sides of a phone and cover the bad side. So as much as I like this device, in this video, I will also mention some of the things that Tecno could have improved on. First of all though, let's see some of the phone specifications. The processor is the MediaTek Helio G99, the highest processor for 4G phones from MediaTek. This is perfect for the phone. Then the main camera is a 50 megapixel sensor paired with another 50 megapixel sensor for the front camera. Camon 30 has two variants. One of the variants has 16 GB of extended RAM and the other one has 24 GB of extended RAM. Their storage capacity is 256 GB. Finally, it is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and a 45-watt charger in the box. On Tecno's official website, it says that the Camon 30 supports 70-watt ultra charging. What I don't know yet is whether the information on their website is correct. Why would Tecno advertise that the Camon 30 supports 70-watt charging but then place only 45-watt charger on the box? Not be juju be that. Whatever the case is, whether the phone supports 70-watt charging or not, 45-watt charging is awesome. In the box, you will find this fine screen guard, a transparent bumper case, the 45-watt charger, a Type-C USB cable, the SIM eject pin, and the Camon 30 looking nice. One of the many good features of the phone is the design. The Sahara Sand brand color is the finest of them all, but I have the Iceland Basaltic dark color, which is also fine. One of the design's nice aspects is the back mirror section, adding a bit of style to the overall design. Then the camera module with a zoom ring pattern featuring these ridges all around the module. Aside from the professional look, Tecno says that it helps to dissipate heat. That's big grammar. Tecno says that it helps to remove heat from this camera section here. Of the three cameras at the back, the main camera has an unusually large sensor that enables it to take clearer night pictures. There is this red spot here close to the top edge and a dual flashlight close by. Then Tecno Camon is nicely written at the bottom. The device has two speakers that sound very good. It also comes with two microphones as well. Before I mention my favorite feature of the Camon 30, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you like this video. If you subscribe to my channel like right now, you will never miss any of my future videos. So please subscribe. The second feature of the Camon 30 that I found so amazing is the display. It is equipped with a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display of 120Hz, but that is not it for me. The display is almost without bezels, filling the entire front of the phone. Then, Tecno came up with lots of tempting screensavers in high graphics. App icons are also improved. The calculator app, the calendar app, and even Ella, the voice assistants, all have new and improved icons. The display also responds very fast to touch and scrolling is very smooth. The fingerprint sensor is under the display and it responds right on time as well. I have used it a lot of time and it never misread my fingerprint. Now, the two features that I like on this device that I have mentioned so far are the design and the display. So what else? The third one is the camera. The night mode has a unique feature that I am yet to see on other cameras. It doesn't brighten the scene that much, but at least it tries to add colors to pictures taken in the dark instead of just providing black and white pictures. I also noticed that the normal photo mode can brighten a dark scene. For example, if you are in a dark room, the camera will display objects brighter than the way that your eyes can actually see them. What this means is that the normal photo mode of the Camon 30 is better than the night mode of most cameras with better sensors. The specification of the phone indicates that the main camera is a 50 megapixel sensor, but on the camera app it is 100 megapixel here. I will assume that this is a mistake since even Tecno's website specified 50 megapixel. Pictures from both the photo mode and portrait mode are good and reliable, and as expected, you can make a lot of adjustments before taking pictures. The Pro mode is just like every other one that I have seen, but with one exception. It has better blur than others. If you need a professional picture with good blur effect, the Pro mode will serve that need. The slow motion mode supports 120 frames per second with 4 times slower movement and 240 frames per second with 8 times slower movement. The video mode is a milestone for the Camon 30 because it offers image stabilization, ultimate video enhancement, and lots of effects. These are not new features, but not what we expect for the Camon 30 either. The front camera also supports night mode with similar result as the main camera. You can also make slow motion videos with it, but no support for 240 frames per second recording. No image stabilization for the front camera also, but the quality of footage is good. You also get nice blur effect on the portrait mode, and these are reliable pictures. Finally, the video mode offers good quality as well. Now, aside from the camera, one last real aspect of the device for me is the processor. Even when you put the phone to real test, like playing 3 high graphic games at the same time while there are lots of other applications open in the background, it doesn't lag or overheat. Normally, this is what we should expect from the Camon 30, but the rate of this smooth performance is something else. Normally, my best games are eFootball, Homescape, and Asphalt 9 Legend, all heavy games. On average graphic settings, all these games can be open in the background while you are playing another game. This doesn't cause any problems for the phone. Great device, I must say, but time to talk about the bad side, and the first one for me is the SIM tray. Who designed such a nice phone with a long SIM tray? There are shorter versions that would have fit more nicely, and because it's a bit hard to eject and insert, I fear that it can easily get broken. The second annoying thing on the Camon 30, which is very annoying, is the... Actually, I didn't notice a second issue on the Camon 30. That's it about the device. Leave your questions in the comment section and I will respond to them personally. See you in my next video.